Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cards TV. I thought I'd give you a little look at what happens once you order Cards TV stamps and take you through the process of when your order comes in and how I get your order filled and right on up to when it's in the package ready to go to the post office and out to you. And by the way, thank you so very much for all your orders. I'm floored. It's just been unbelievable, and I thank you all so very much. But the first step is once you hit the order button, it comes into my computer right here, and then it's printed out over here on my trusty little Canon printer. Next, your order is taken over here to the packing table, and I've got some envelopes, and here's all the different kinds of stamps, and there's my little postal meter, and here's where I keep the thank you cards for going inside, because I do appreciate y'all purchasing stamps. And I've got some paper clips here, and I grab an envelope, I fill the order from the different kinds of stamps, and then I paper clip the order sheet to the outside of the envelope. And then it's taken over here, ready for a shipping label to be printed. Now, while the shipping label's printing, I'm double checking your package to make sure that I have the correct stamps inside, and I've already checked to make sure your address is correct. And there's the label, and we'll take this label over to the shipping table, get it put on, and get it ready to go out in the mail. And now the label's attached, and they're all ready to go to the post office, and I'll start on the next order. So watch out, guys, your stamps are coming your way. Watch your mailbox. Thanks so much for purchasing Cards TV stamps. I appreciate it so very much, and I really hope you enjoy them. And I'll see you guys again soon. Bye now.